in our thigh, right? In our tush, right? In our waistband, but it also stretches north and south. So I'm not saying you're gonna make the pant longer, but what I am showing you is this incredible stretch allows you to sit in the car, travel all day, do your gardening, that's me weeding, right? Do your cooking, that's me with the hamburgers and the hot dogs. Do your party time, have your fun this summer, drink a beverage, enjoy the backyards and the patios. Where did that come from? There's tissue. Was that on the bottom of my shoe this entire time? It's not toilet paper, I swear. That is, oh, maybe it is. What else is down there? Okay, we're good. I really don't know where that came from. That was so funny. Actually, maybe I do know where that came from. Hey, a girl's got to go to the bathroom, lickety-split between shows.
TMI.
Thank you, Gary Govan. Hey, how many years have we been shopping together? 17. Who knows me better than myself sometimes? You. We talk about so much on this show. So incredible. Things are falling out again. It's just a card. I mean, look at this.
I know. Incredible. What am I looking at?
This.
Things on the floor, or you're looking at your pants? I'm not really sure.
It always gets me. My pants. I mean, nothing stretches.
Hey, everybody.
Nothing wears like this.
No. Dual stretch is an amazing fabric. I've been saying it all day. When they put this on, it doesn't show lines or lumps and bumps.
It doesn't.
And as you can see, it gives everybody a really smooth look. Not all knit pants are created equal, okay? You go to that store.
We have already taken over 2,500 orders. It's this, the ooh and the ah of the padding and the cushion, even though you get about 2 inches in height thanks to that wedge heel. And then look at all the leather. It creates a flower that is 3-dimensional on the upper of your shoe. They should be $100. So I would have been happy to have a sale price of $80. 75, 70 even. But for a few days, they are $6 during the day, but it would cool off in the evening. So like I brought some sweatpants to throw on in the evening. I never really. I am Team Denim & Company today, and I've got that Clark's Gold Metallic. I like the Gold Metallic because if you do want to dress up your outfit,
absolutely,
Gold Metallic is an easy choice.
Yeah, enjoy these fucking sluts. Rape these cunts. Happy Women's Day.